So people, I thought I might do the intro here. Welcome to the Corolla Brotherhood meet. So right now actually, let me get the come to just check up on my brother's car real quick, because obviously it's right next to Driftworks, so my brother thought since he's down for the weekend I'll come check that out. But dang, the lineup here is amazing this year. Better than I've ever seen it before. Oh, he's found him. He's happy. It's back. People, I'm sure this is from an E30. Yo, that definitely is from an E30. I think that might be from Phil's one. I know they cut it out and stuff. No way. It's for sale? Repaired the bumper a little. Listen to that. And my brother's getting shown around some stuff, VIP stuff. Huh? Love hands. You get it? Love hands, man. Just spotted the interior on this. Dang. Little carpet thing all over it. It's quite cool. Camera. to literally just become like a massive hangout spot. Big Wang crew. So really nice S15. I really wish the bonnet was closed on that RX-7 because it would look so clean, but I understand why they want to show off the engine. Just look at it. Look at that, y'all. Right people, so I'm actually gonna end this video now. We're gonna head off because we've got some stuff to get done. Hope you guys enjoyed just looking around all these cars. You know, it's a really chilled out place today. Weather is bang on. We might be back later on, but yeah, we turn back up. Let's see what else is here right now. Ice cream van. And a little kid. Isaac! Cha-cha! Who is this? Come on!
It's a bit of a slate.
Huh?
Bit of a slate.
Yeah! He's showing it off. He's like, yeah, look at this car. Right, everyone's kind of leaving now, and big exhaust on that. Right, yeah. So everyone's leaving now. I'm gonna go back home again. carry on with everything we have to do because we're flying out in the next few days. So right, focus on me. Yeah, thank you very much. Right guys, well I'll see you guys later. Don't know when it will next be, but catch you guys in a bit. Peace out.